From the CISO series, it's Cybersecurity Headlines.
These are the cybersecurity headlines for Wednesday, November 26th, 2025. I'm Sarah Lane. CISA warns of app break-ins. CISA says state-backed hackers and cyber mercenaries are breaking into Signal and WhatsApp accounts using spoofed apps, phishing, malicious QR codes, and zero-click exploits to hijack devices belonging to high-value users across the U.S., Europe, and the Middle East. Recent campaigns include Russia-aligned crews abusing Signal's linked device feature and a WhatsApp zero-click exploit on Samsung phones, along with spyware that impersonates popular apps. StealC V2 spread through Blender files. Morphosec researchers say that Russian threat actors are spreading the StealC V2 info stealer through weaponized Blender files uploaded to 3D model sites like CG Trader. The files contain embedded Python that executes when Blender's auto-run feature is enabled, pulling down a PowerShell loader that installs StealC and a secondary Python stealer. The newest variant can steal data from more than 23 browsers, more than 100 crypto wallet extensions, 15 wallet apps, and multiple messaging and VPN clients, and many samples evade antivirus detection. Russia arrests cybersecurity entrepreneur for treason. Russian cybersecurity founder Timur Kilin has been arrested on treason charges, with Russian outlets reporting he may have drawn government attention after publicly attacking Max. That is the state-backed messaging app set to ship pre-installed on all Russian smartphones next year. Kilin said Max was insecure, ignoring major vulnerabilities, and proposed an anti-cyber fraud law that would criminalize disclosing security flaws. Jack attack fools AI browsers. Cato Networks says that a new indirect prompt injection method called Jack hides malicious instructions after a hash or pound sign in legitimate URLs. AI browser assistants like Copilot in Edge, Gemini in Chrome, and Perplexity's Comment read these hidden fragments even though they never leave the client, letting attackers turn trusted sites into vectors for data exfiltration, phishing, misinformation, or harmful guidance. Google categorized the issue as low severity and intended behavior. Microsoft and Perplexity applied fixes. Huge thanks to our sponsor, KnowBe4. Cybersecurity isn't just a tech problem, it's a human one. That is why KnowBe4's human risk management platform allows you to measure, quantify, and actually reduce human risk across your organization. With AI-powered risk scoring, automated coaching and reporting, HRM Plus helps you surface your highest risk users and reduce the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks proactively. Ready to move from awareness to action? Request a demo of HRM Plus today at knowbe4.com. Millions stolen in fraud schemes. The FBI says that cyber criminals have stolen more than $262 million through account takeover fraud this year, with over 5,100 complaints since January. Attackers impersonate banks and payment platforms through texts, emails, calls, spoofed links, and SEO-poisoned ads, tricking victims into handing over credentials before draining accounts and moving those funds to crypto wallets. Scams also use holiday-themed domains designed to trap online shoppers. Russian hackers target Ukrainian sister city U.S. firm. U.S. cybersecurity firm Arctic Wolf says Russian attackers targeted a U.S. engineering firm this fall because it had worked with a municipality linked to a Ukrainian sister city. The attack was identified back in September. Arctic Wolf declined to name the U.S. firm, but said the attack was carried out by the Russia-aligned group Romcom, known for hitting organizations supporting Ukraine. Cyber attack disrupts emergency alert systems. The OnSolve Code Red emergency alert platform suffered a cyber attack that disrupted notifications for U.S. state and local governments, police, and fire agencies. Crisis 24, which operates Code Red, confirmed that data on names, emails, phone numbers, and passwords was stolen. The INC ransomware gang claimed responsibility, posting screenshots of clear text passwords and offering the data for sale. The attack forced Crisis 24 to rebuild the system from a backup from March, leaving some accounts missing. Corporate takeovers meet SonicWall firewalls. ReliaQuest reports that Akira ransomware affiliates exploited compromised SonicWall SSL VPN appliances in companies acquired through mergers and acquisitions. Attackers gained access to the acquiring firm's networks via inherited devices, then searched for privileged legacy credentials, unprotected hosts, and predictable server names. Once inside, lateral movement to domain controllers took an average of 9.3 hours, and ransomware deployment averaged under 1 hour. Remember to subscribe to the CISO series on YouTube. We've been publishing new shorts every weekday, having some fun with some of the biggest news stories of the week. Even if you're not hearing about the news there for the first time, it's a great way to easily share a story with your network. Check them out and let us know what you think of the format. And if you have thoughts on the news from today or about our show in general, be sure to reach out to us at feedback@cisoseries.com. We would love to hear from you. I'm Sarah Lane reporting for the CISO series. Thank you so much for listening. Talk to you tomorrow.
Cybersecurity headlines are available every weekday. Head to CISOseries.com for the full stories behind the headlines.